Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio, and I've got some Meeden black paint with regular Floetrol in it, and I intend on just getting on with it, doing a swipe. Seeing how far that'll go. I might put some more down, in fact. I want to get the edges of the canvas covered too. So maybe a little bit more here. Best paint spreading tool I know is this Oxo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula. It's on my Amazon link. You can find it by looking under the video on the link tree. I'm almost out of Chantilly lace and I want something white. So I'm going to use some French silk, which is a beautiful iridescent off-white. Looks like I'm going for it all the way. Well, as far as it'll go, and I don't care about the rest. I can always cover my edges when I need to later. Whatever doesn't fall down now will get dealt with. Of course, there's also the possibility that I could run my finger around the edge and feel better immediately. I would like to make sure there's enough black, but I'm kind of spreading it thin. And I'm going to wipe that off. And I'm expecting to do whatever it takes. Let's hope that'll come out. I jinxed myself. There we go. Something's in there though. It's time to find the French silk and see if I can mix up some more. Pretty sure that's still going to help with the Rhapsody Rose, which I'm going to look for and find now. Got Deep Crimson, Cupid's Crush. Cupid's Crush will usually do me. There's the Rhapsody Rose. Let's give it a shake. And I don't know if the saffron will, I'll try. I've got issues with saffron. I just cleaned it out. And it's not behaving. And I want it to behave. That's really irritating. I'm just going to take the top right off. This is going to be the most saffron I've ever put in anything. Why not? Break all the rules once in a while. That's got to be fixed though. That's just intolerable. So what have I got? I've got a Bling It Golden Maple. And I've got Indigo Violet, and I think if I find it, I'm going to use it. And Waterlily. The colors will be listed underneath the video. crazy colors. And then I'm going to do something completely off the wall and use sour lemon with orange crush. And maybe some Tuscan Sun too. And I was going to say finish with the saffron, finish with the jasmine, but I never know. I know there's going to be enough paint. What have I got? I've got another color. I'm not sure about the Frostbite. I know I better clean all my bottles out soon. One more color. That's the red violet. Okay, hopefully I've got enough elbow room. Put my black away and my white away. My white being French silk. Grab a couple of cards. I could probably do that with a spatula, but I'm inclined to do it with a card. I'm going to use black, white, and Australian Floetrol in Pebeo Iridescent Gold, and whoa, that was a lot. That was more than I needed. So I'll let it drain. It's time to mix up some more cell activator. Atelier Rich Gold with the Pebeo. I have an idea. I don't know how it's going to work, but we'll see in a minute. I think I'm going to go just on one side and tip. And I want to do just what I did. No, I want to go every other one. Whoops. Okay. I've never actually done what I'm about to do. It might be kind of cool. I'm hoping so. The white. The black. And the gold. Wow. That was surprising that didn't go far enough. I needed to go all the way down. Alright, we got one rogue, one bad child. Which may stay bad. I hope I'm wrong. Wipe that card off, that'll help a little. Well, that doesn't happen very often. I might have to put some other colors in there to make that work out. Alright, well, we'll leave it for now. And we'll try and tip it and see what happens. And I've got an edge catcher that I might want to use, actually. Whether I want it to go all the way across or not, I don't know. I kind of wish I had. And I have some paint in my scrape dish. I can help even the design out a little bit. I have a little more, I hope so. Should I tip it back the other way? I don't know. They're great colors. I love these colors. I think these might be my favorite colors. Whatever I get off the edge catcher that pulls there, I can put on the spaces that are missing things. But I kind of thought it was nice when it was 3/4 of the way there. But if it goes all the way across, it goes all the way across. We're good with that. Especially if we can retrieve the colors on the edge catcher and put them in the missing spaces. I'm going to rock that so it goes on the edge. That's pretty sharp. Now what do I need? I need an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. And some space I don't have. I could probably use all of the colors that I've got to cover my edges if I wanted to. And even if the stripes don't match, I don't think it's going to make any difference because the colors will. I could put this aside for right now. And that one white stripe just makes it interesting. It's not completely white and it does have some cells in it. I'm going to put this down and I'm probably going to use it to cover the end. It'll be brownish, I guess. So, that's that. I love you guys. I hope you come again. You inspire the heck out of me. I've got 31 playlists. Do I pull that one down? I guess I do. Just pull it right down. Make the colors cover. I'm going to give you a shimmer. I'm tempted to run a skewer through or tip it back the other way. Maybe I'll tip it back the other way before we're done. I'm not turning the light out yet. I was going to shimmer that out here, but I think I'm not done yet. Will it move? I doubt it. I can see it moving a little bit. I've got colors on my silicone mat and I can use them to fill in the gaps. Right there. And then it's just down to whether I want to use a skewer or not, and I kind of do. I'm not going to pull it all the way down the end, with the exception of this drip, which I like the unevenness of it. Kind of want to take my skewer, put it in the colors on the edge catcher. Don't want to get too frisky or it won't work. I could probably do this a lot better with the Oxo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula, which I just happen to have. I've got paint on everything right now. So I'm going to clean off. Come on, pick up. Hey, you caught on something. There, that's kind of interesting. Got a little bit of negative space. Got a few colors to put on the end. I'll finish that up after. What else have I got? So instead of the skewer, I can always use the spatula, which is pretty cool. Seems to be working to my advantage. I don't want to go any further. I'm going to wind up with something I don't want. Alright, what did I do with my phone? There it is. That's awesome. Check that out. Do I want to do one more or two more? Make sure I don't have anything on there that I don't want in the painting. Cool. Thank you for joining me. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I have 31 playlists with 100 videos each on them. And if you ask me for a topic or a genre, I have them saved by topic and genre also. And there's quite a few of those as well. You can find them by going to my channel and going to playlists, all playlists, created playlists. But it's not as easy as it sounds. I'm going to probably torch. I want to turn the light out so you can see that better. That is tremendous. I love that. I've wanted to tip like that for I don't know how long. Look at that. Look at those colors. I got a minute left to tell you guys. Please share my videos. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. I need all the help I can get to keep staying here. If you're interested in making a donation, there's a PayPal link below the video in the description. You're going to find my link tree with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook group. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. So the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube about paint pouring. I like my paint pouring recipes below. Show more. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I hope you can see all that. The shimmer is amazing and the color is stunning. I'm also, woo, shiny. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Questions are welcome and encouraged. I want to thank you for those. Thank you, those of you who have joined the membership and those who have made a donation to help keep me in Floetrol and GAC 800 and canvases. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I would love to sell you a piece of artwork. So if you are interested in owning a piece of artwork, please talk to me. Send me an email. I love you guys. Whatever I've forgotten, ooh, shiny, you'll see in another video. Everything that I create can be reproduced at Spring under the video, or Pinterest, not Pinterest, FineArtAmericaPixels.com, Society 6, Legallerist. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. If you're looking for it, you'll find it. And I have a 20% off Colourarte coupon code and a 10% off Pixel Paint Designs coupon code, which will get you Australian Floetrol, Boom Gel, and Pebeo paints, and more. But I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so shop Colourarte, help us stay in business, and that would be awesome. Love you guys. Take care of each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out.